Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to brand new vlog. And today we are heading towards Jhor, and it's about 26 kilometers from Suryabinayak Bhaktapur. So yeah, I'm going with my college friends today. I mean my ex-college, cause I already graduated from that college and all that stuff. So I think it's pretty much makes it ex-college, right? And yeah, hopefully it will be fun. And that building is never completed, like it's been 4 or 5 years, I don't know, but you know, the construction work is still going on and I can't see any sign of like completing that building, man. Like it's been years, man. Okay, now we're at Kodeshwar right here. Okay, just made friends right here in Gosala, and now we'll be going to Chabil, and then after we will go to like Gongavu, I guess. I don't know we have to like reach Gongavu or not. I just really forgot the place where we have to like go inside from the right side to get to Jhor. But no worries, man, because I really downloaded the map of Jhor on my Google map and all that stuff, and yeah, won't be lost, you know. Okay, that is the way of going to Jhor. So yeah, we'll be crossing the road from here. Like that, homie. Okay. Okay, we made all of our guys now, and now we are heading to Jhor, and this is the way of going to Jhor. So yeah, it's damn hot today, man. Like what the hell, I'm totally sweating. There's some kind of program going on over here. Probably Nepali. I don't know if that truck can fit here. Obviously now it can. Okay. Let's see. That milestone is empty, man. What the hell? I was trying to look how much far the Jhor is, but that freaking milestone is empty. Okay, it's our turn, so let's go. Nice and slow. Okay. What the hell? RIP this road. What the? Oh man. And this is the condition of road of Jhor right now. If you guys are like planning to go to Jhor, here it is right here. Okay, now I think we're about to reach Jhor. It's about, I don't know, 1, 2, 3 kilometers from here, probably. I wonder how the bus goes from here, man. What the hell no, man. Like, okay, we'll be parking our bikes right here and we'll be walking to Jhor from here. I don't think that it's too far, so yeah, whatever. Look at the view, guys. Awesome, right? Like, what the hell, whole Kathmandu over there, and the city muddy road too right here, man. Okay, we just decided to go from here, whatever, and I think it's going to be quite difficult for us to go, man. See that? What the hell? Shit. Okay. Nice and slow. I don't think it will be nice and slow at all. The freaking shit. Don't want to ruin my shoe, like by stepping on this mud right here. Okay, he made it through. What the hell? Yep. Did it. What the hell? A lot of people are here. We'll be parking right here, I guess. And it's down there. We have to walk like for about 5 minutes or so in order to reach there. What the hell? See that waterfall? Awesome, right? Awesome. And there is a little cave right there that we can go inside. Whoa, la, 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 la. Oh, rainbow yaar, rainbow here. What the hell? There's the main waterfall right there, and there is small one but awesome one, right? Okay, we just got up from waterfall area and now we are heading back home. Dum dum. What the hell? Just had a mini accident, I guess. Okay, instead of going home, we'll be stopping on Taba Hill to have some fast foods, lunch, whatever. Then after we'll be heading to Techu on the Logan Kill side, cause yeah, Gai Jatra was yesterday and our Newar friend, you know, like he has some kind of votes in his home and all that stuff. So yeah, we'll be going there. Okay, just had a lunch over here in Taba Hill and we are heading towards Logan Kill now to our friend's house. As I've already mentioned earlier, some type of jatra is going on over there. So yeah, we really are stuck in this jam. Okay guys, we just made it to the Techu here, and as you guys can see, jatra is going on over here, and yeah, we'll be enjoying here for a couple of minutes, and yeah, we'll be heading back home. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like on this video, and yeah, do subscribe my channel for upcoming videos and all that good stuff. And yeah, peace out. Sahi ho ke ghumade. I love being in these kind of peace places, you know.